So we're back on this 04 F150 with the transmission problem. Part 1 was a couple of videos ago. Now I've got the valve body or the transmission pan off, and I've got this connector harness, jumper harness from inside the transmission out. I've cleaned it up. I've tested continuity on it from these two pins in here. Let's turn the light on here. The two pins in the top right hand corner, which is pin 1 and 2, over to the solenoid for the lockup converter, which is this solenoid here. And I got no problem with continuity. Pin grip looks good, and I can't see anything wrong with this harness, although I've ordered one in. Unless it's cracked internally and it's not acting up right now. I wiggled it while it was on the vehicle with the ohmmeter leads connected. Now I've got the ohmmeter leads connected to the actual solenoid itself here. This is the lockup converter solenoid. These are shift solenoids here. And on the ohmmeter, we've got a, oops, turn the light off. We got 14.2 ohms. I'm going to have a go at tapping on that solenoid. So I'm wiggling the connections at the solenoid itself and graphing the resistance. You can see there's no change here. I'm going to take a screwdriver handle and tap on the actual body of the solenoid. So that solenoid has definitely got a broken winding in there. Damn. Wish I'd ordered a solenoid for it. I'll have to see if I can find one before I can put this back together again. So I've got the solenoid removed. There it is there. And as you can see, if I wiggle the connections, nothing changes on the ohmmeter. The ohmmeter reads perfectly fine, but yet if I tap on it, so there's got to be a break in the winding. None of the other solenoids do that. So I'm trying to find a solenoid this evening. So far, no luck. So I've obtained a previously enjoyed transmission solenoid for this Ford, and I'm going to tap on it now with this one. And that one seems okay, so I'm going to put this in, but I'm going to use that new harness just in case there's a fracture or crack in it that's affected by temperature as well.